In this video, Timmy's going to show you how to duplicate a slide in Google Slides. So, if you're making a Google Slides presentation like this, and you want to duplicate this slide, for example, all you need to do is right-click on the slide in the Slides menu here. So, if you're using a proper mouse, you just position your mouse over the slide and click on the right-click button. Or if you're using a trackpad on a laptop, you just click down on the trackpad with 2 fingers at once, and that will do the same thing. And now, in this menu that appears here, just click Duplicate Slide. And now, as you can see, we have 2 identical slides. And obviously, you probably don't want to have 2 identical slides. You'll probably want to change some of the text in this duplicate now. So we could change some of this. And you could change some layout and change pictures and do anything you want like that. But it can be a great way to quickly add more slides with the same sort of theme and layout without having to create every slide from scratch. So that's really handy. But if you don't want the new slide to be right after the one you duplicated, so as you can see, right now this new copied slide is number 3 and the original is number 2, so they're right together. You can actually drag and drop the slides to rearrange them. All you need to do is click and hold down on the slide you want to move. So we'll click and hold on this one, and then just drag it up or down, and then let go when it's where you want it to be. So we'll let go here to drop it down here, and now this duplicated slide is the last slide in the presentation. Or we could click and hold again and drag it right up, and now it could be the second slide in the presentation. And if you're using a laptop, it's pretty much the same thing. You just click and hold with one finger and then drag it up or down with another finger. But that's really all there is to it. That's how you can duplicate a slide in Google Slides. So hopefully you found this video helpful, and Timmy will see you in the next one.